Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. We are headed to do some install work. We're going to pick up some sump basins. A lot of people ask where to buy the basins. You know, this is the best place is Lowe's. Take a look. We like to use these ADS basins right here, and they're becoming very hard to find. So if you are looking for these basins and you go to Home Depot, you will not find them. And you'll find the smooth wall one, which works, but this one works a little bit better, a little deeper, and it has the ribs to help hold it down into the ground so it doesn't float up. We're going to buy all of these, as well as a lot of pipe and a lot of fittings. Just typical stuff that you buy when you're a drainage contractor. Another interesting note about Lowe's is they now carry the 2-inch channel drain for the pool. You know, this is the standard size right here, but now they also carry what's called a slim channel drain kit. They're 6-foot sections, which is kind of sad. Too bad they're not 10-foot sections. But if you're interested in replacing that yourself, this is a little bit larger drain, and it probably works a little bit better. So when you're getting your sump basin, do not forget to get your lids. See the lids right there? And these are the smooth wall basins that I'm talking about. These things are okay, and they work fine. They're a little bit more expensive, and the lid is more expensive too. But if you can get these, the HDPE type basin, you're much better off. Another quick note, you'll notice that here in Lowe's they're selling the Zollers, and it says professional contractors. These are not the same as the M98. Okay, they are not the same. Even the smaller 1/3 of a horsepower is not the same as the mighty Mate. These are different pumps, and I would not suggest that you buy these. Better off getting a true M98 or an M53. M53 would be the 1/3 of a horsepower. M98 would be the 1/2 horsepower. And these are not the pumps that you want. These pumps are a little cheaper in price, and they do work, but they are not the same as the Zoller M98 and the Zoller M53. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
You are building the French drain wrong. Only I can build a French drain.
You know, we get so many email requests now asking for Sideshow Bob. We decided to go ahead and give him his own French drain channel. Check it out in the description box below. Sideshow Bob.